Dirt mud all over my Harley Davidson Pan America. Just wanted to prove it. It's legit. She got dirty. Well, this is it, guys. I'm actually heading over the Confederation Bridge. This is going to be a goodbye to PEI. Red dirt, the lighthouse, East Point Lighthouse. Gonna head on, get some cows ice cream. Yep, we're heading out the door and the easternmost point in Canada here in PEI. Gonna head down and get some ice cream. Alright, we're heading back west and south. It officially begins. I think I want to stay in PEI one more night. This is great riding today. Made it to the lighthouse. Got a gift or two. I'm going to try and get some ice cream. And I'm pretty excited. You know, this day just does not end. It's so sunny. I am loving it. Alright, I'm going to make a quick detour. No exit impasse. That's fine. I just want to go down to the south coast there. Let's see what it's like. See how much I can get down to the coast. I'm gonna risk it. Hopefully it doesn't turn around up there. Yeah, there's a turnaround. Yeah, time for a picture. Okay. Huh. What'd you guys think of that? Pretty cool, right? God, it is just so beautiful out. Wow. I could ride and ride and ride all day. Yeah, it's beautiful out today. Red dirt roads are really cool. Little farmhouses, and sky's just nice. Temperature's nice. I have to go into Maine to pick up my knife, and I think if I didn't have to go to Maine, I would like to ride in Nova Scotia. More red dirt roads. More riding in Nova. Oh, Jesus, coast. Yeah. So have to go into Maine, pick up my knife, but other than that, yeah, I don't think I'll be able to do much Nova Scotia riding.
Cool looking town. I think I was here, but I didn't come down this road. I went up that road. 358 instead of 1, 2. Yep. So yeah, I just didn't come down this road. Again, cool town. Seen a lot of robins. I don't know what they are. I'm gonna get chickens. Oh, look at that beach. Yeah, I did come here. Oh, wow. Nope. Oh, the tide's out. That's so cool. Look at those herons fishing when the tide's getting pulled out. There's a low tide there as well too.
That looks like a moving experience.
Alright, MCC crew, we are in Charlottetown, PEI. And we're going to the ice cream store called Cow's Ice. Apparently it's the best. I've heard about it from, I don't know, people in 3 different provinces. Fine. There's a store, and then there's a waterfront store, so you can tell there's a little more urban-y. Alright, so I'm guessing this is the water here. Maybe we can go and look. How's the waterfront? Where are ya? It's gotta be in here. Where are we? But it's right down there. There it is. Okay. I think I found a way down there. No parking, loading zone. Okay. No parking there. Let's go straight. Man, you gotta make this easy, right? Okay. I might just have to go to the store. Alright, let's go to the store. There's cows there. Oh, we'll try that. Not seem to be easy. There's some parking, finally. I'm gonna park here. Ta-da! Okay. Well, it's gonna be a trek to the store, but we'll go make it work.
Okay, headed to Cows. This is a storefront in Charlottetown, PEI. Alright. Check it out. Am I gonna get ice cream that big? Maybe. Cool. Alright, they say they have the world's best ice cream. Bum, bum, bum. Cool. I'm in front of Cows, well, kind of, and I got coconut cream, which is one of their favorites, and strawberry. And yeah, the coconut cream is really good. Pieces of like cream pie. Yeah, there are pieces in there. Strawberries are really good too. Wow. Now I'm gonna go just sit on this bench and eat it. Enjoy. Good stuff. Dirt mud all over my Harley Davidson Pan America. Just want to prove it. It's legit. She got dirty. Okay, we are all gassed up, leaving Charlottetown. All filled up in Cow's ice cream. Was it the best in the world? It was pretty good, I'll tell you that. Beautiful day. It's getting, the sun's coming down. It's pretty cool up. So my plan for the night is to leave PEI. I'm heading back to New Brunswick. I'm probably going to stay there. It's going to rain tomorrow, and I got to prep for the rain. And I'll tell you a little more about it when we get closer. Overall, I'm pretty happy with my riding. In PEI, I pushed a little bit, especially on the speed. I got to go on those red dirt roads. They're really cool. So just thinking back, it was pretty cool to go. Eric really showed me around. Got a camp. PEI is really a beautiful place to visit, and I would absolutely come back here. Pan America has been fantastic. Seems to be a lot of nooks and crannies to explore, and some beautiful red dirt, and it's just, gosh, it just doesn't get any better than this. Well, this is it, guys. I'm actually heading over the Confederation Bridge. This is going to be a goodbye to PEI. Excited about it. Well, sad, honestly, but I just, I had a really good trip. It was great meeting Island ADV, Eric. Took me on some great rides and showed me around and gave me some routes to go on. So I'm pretty excited about that. Can't wait to get these videos made and all that good stuff as well too. So I hear I can pay in dollar bills. I will try that. If not, I do have a credit card. We'll go to the toll booth up ahead.
Okay, that's legit it. I'm free. It was 20 Canadian dollars. I paid it 100 American dollars, and they gave me Canadian cash back. I don't know if it's higher. $1.10 exchange rate.